Hello dear readers, will for competitive examination, and make sure to subscribe our channel and want to get the latest update on this channel. So let's get started. So here is the first question. Which of the following is not chemical weathering? And here the correct answer is option number C, that is freezing. Question number 2. Fog is a phenomenon indicating. The correct answer is option number C, that is inversion of temperature. And question number 3. Which of the following local winds is different from the other three? And here the correct answer is option number D, that is Mistral. Here explanation for your understanding. Mistral, the local wind is different from others. The Mistral is a strong, cold and usually dry regional wind in France coming from the north or northwest, which accelerates when it passes through the valleys of Rhône and the Durance rivers to the coast of Mediterranean around the Camargue region. And the next question number 4 is, thunderstorms are associated with. The correct answer is option number B, that is cumulonimbus clouds. Here, cumulonimbus is a heavy, dense cloud mid-great vertical growth and responsible for thunderstorms. Question number 5. A hot local wind blowing in Sahara Desert is known as. The correct answer is option number D, that is harmattan. Here, explanation. A hot local wind blowing in Sahara Desert is known as harmattan. The harmattan is a dry and dusty West Africa trade wind. This northeasterly wind blows from the Sahara into the Gulf of Guinea between the end of November and the middle of March. The temperatures can be as low as 3 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. Atmospheric layer which reflects radio waves is called. The correct answer is option number B, that is ionosphere. Here, explanation. Atmospheric layer which reflects radio wave is called ionosphere. The ionosphere is a region of the upper atmosphere from about 85 km to 600 km altitude and includes the thermosphere and parts of the mesosphere and exosphere. It is distinguished because it is ionized by solar radiation. It plays an important part in atmospheric electricity and forms the inner edge of the magnetosphere. Because among the functions it influences radio propagation to distant places on the Earth. Question number 7. The layer of the atmosphere which contains dust particles and water vapor is called. The correct answer is option number B, that is Troposphere. Question number 8. Which of the following does not affect the distribution of ionization? And here the correct answer is option number D, that is ocean currents. Question number 9. Tropopause separates. The correct answer is option number B, that is stratosphere and troposphere. Here, explanation. Tropopause is the upper limit of the troposphere, and therefore it constitutes the boundary between the troposphere and stratosphere. And question number 10, in which form is atmosphere humidity expressed? And here the correct answer is option number D. That is all of this. That is, it expressed in absolute humidity, specific humidity, and relative humidity. And question number 11. The process of water vapor changing to the liquid state water is called. The correct answer is option number C. That is condensation. And question number 12. Jet stream is westerlies in upper part of troposphere. The correct answer is option number A. That is fast flowing. Here explanation. Jet stream is a fast flowing westerlies in upper part of troposphere. Jet streams are fast flowing, narrow air currents found in the atmosphere of some planets, including Earth. The main jet streams are located near the tropopause. The transition between the troposphere, where the temperature decreases with altitude, and the stratosphere, where temperature increases with altitude. And question number 13. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called. The correct answer is option number A. That is Willy Willy. Here, explanation. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called Willy Willy. Willy Willy is a small windstorm that mostly occurs in dry, outback areas. The term Willy Willy is Aboriginal origin. Willy Willies are normally tropical cyclones. And question number 14. A large body of air having fairly uniform temperature and humidity, etc. is called. The correct answer is option number C. That is an air mass. Here explanation. Air masses are relatively large bodies of air that are fairly horizontally uniform in characteristics. These air bodies are relatively uniform in temperature and moisture content and may extend across an entire continent. And question number 15. What is the most important element of climate? And here the correct answer is option number B. That is temperature. Here explanation. Although temperature, pressure, and humidity all are important elements of weather and climate, the temperature is the basis of all these, as all other elements directly or indirectly depend upon it. And question number 16. Which layer of atmosphere is vital for telecommunications? And here the correct answer is option number D. That is ionosphere. Here, the ionosphere makes the radio communications possible by virtue of the fact this layer reflects the radio signals back to the Earth. And question number 17. The velocity of the winds is determined by. The correct answer is option number A. That is pressure gradient. And question number 18. Roaring 40s are the correct answer is option number B. That is high velocity westerly winds. Here explanation. Roaring 40s are the high velocity which winds blow persistently from the west areas between latitude 40 degree and 50 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. And question number 19. The minstrel is experienced in. The correct answer is option number A. That is southern France. Here explanation. Minstrel is a cold and dry strong wind that blows down from the north along the lower Rhone River's valley towards the Mediterranean Sea in southern region of France. And question number 20, this is the last question. The sky looks blue because of. The correct answer is option number B. That is selective scattering of radiation by atmosphere. Here explanation. The sky appears blue due to scattering of light. Out of 7 colors, wavelength blue light scatter more, and it is reason behind the appearance of sky as blue. So thank you for watching the videos, and if you like the videos and gain something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification icon to get the latest update on this channel. So see you in the next video.